Now is available at McCarthycars Volvo V50 e-drive, diesel, 60 plate 2010, metallic silver. Car has front xenon lights, front headlight washer, front fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels, it's got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX charger preparation, for electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, front auto headlights. Car has Bluetooth, phone connection, it's got CD, 2-zone air conditioning, heated seats, 5-speed manual transmission, gearbox, e-drive mode, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.